Hello everyone, this video is about to birds start canary. This is a canary. This is a canary. What is this? What is this? This is a canary. This is a canary. Duck. This is a duck. This is a duck. What is this? What is this? This is a duck. This is a duck. Eagle. This is an eagle. This is an eagle. What is this? What is this? This is an eagle. This is an eagle. Crow. This is a crow. This is a crow. What is this? What is this? This is a crow. This is a crow. Owl. This is an owl. This is an owl. What is this? What is this? This is an owl. This is an owl. Couch. This is a couch. This is a goat. What is this? What is this? This is a goat. This is a goat. Pet. This is a pet. This is a pet. What is this? What is this? This is a pet. This is a pet. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. What is this? What is this? This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube. Never miss update from Camblyblogging channel. Start a conversation with the vocabularies. Thanks for watching this video. Keep it watching.